Imagine hiring an expert to change one light bulb and watching them inspect the entire building first. That's what your AI coding assistant does on a tiny edit, and one team found a way to stop it without a single new failure. Here's why that hurts. Every file the agent rereads costs you time, tokens, and money. And the obvious fix, just make it read everything to be safe, is exactly the habit that's burning your budget on jobs that needed almost nothing. The researchers reframed the whole thing. Being smart, they argue, isn't only solving hard problems, it's knowing when a problem is easy. That single idea hides a trick for teaching an agent to glance before it digs. But what does glance first actually look like? Their fix is a three-step loop they call E3. First, glance and guess how big the job is. Then do the smallest plan that could work. Then, only if a real check fails, open one more file and try again. Never the whole pile. Here's how those steps fit together. And here's the whole trick in one picture. The agent estimates a starting point, executes a minimum path, and the moment its check passes, it exits. If the check fails, it widens by one step and reuses what it already learned, so it never falls back into rereading the entire project. Does glancing first actually hold up? Across 121 coding tasks, E3 solved every single one, the same perfect score as the read everything approach, while spending a fraction of the effort. Same result, tiny bill. And the twist that stings, the waste was worst on the easy jobs. On the simplest tasks, the cautious agent burned 22 times the needed effort, proof that reading everything isn't careful. It's just expensive right where speed matters most. So the lesson worth keeping? Efficiency isn't spending less, it's spending correctly. Teach an agent to judge the job before it digs, and you get the same reliability for a fraction of the price. If knowing when a task is easy counts as intelligence too, follow along. We break down a new AI paper into plain English every week.